Spec Euro Truck A main. Drivers ready. Turn marshals ready. Everyone on the sound of the tone, less than 5.
Pile up.
And we get through without any wrecks. Nice, nice.
Oops, sorry. It's all good.
Yeah, Robin's racing. You got
Silver
it.
bullet, man. Silver bullet.
Good clean start, you guys.
Whoa.
That last little bit of rain made it a little slick.
Yeah. I was just thinking the same thing.
All right, 35 seconds in. About another lap or two down, we'll start calling it out. Alrighty, 50 seconds down. We got Tom Marlowe out front. Also with a TQ 14 flat lap time. David has him in the 2, Jason Davis in the 3, Wally David in the 4, Chris Machado in the 5, and Roy in the 6.
Yeah, that's what I want to see. Oh, why not I do it? Not follow the leader.
Oh, and Thunder in the distance. Got about 2 or 3 more races to get through. 125 down. Yeah, 3:35 left to go. So I got Tom out front. David has him in the 2, 3. And now it's a battle for that 2 spot between Jason Davis and David Haslam.
Thank you, Roy.
Tom Marlowe got almost a 7-second lead on the second place car.
I'm drifting.
Oh.
We got a little wet spot.
Yeah, there is a funky spot out there.
We're bouncing through these turns. Okay, yeah, I didn't see no lightning, but I got reports of lightning. We might have to cut this one short.
No lightning. We didn't see it.
225 down, 230 left to go.
Who's colorblind?
So got Tom Marlowe out front. David has him in the 2, Jason Davis in the 3, Wally David in the 4, Machado in the 5, and Roy in the 6. All right, we're about 3 minutes down. I got a cord that's pooping out on me. All right, a 2-minute warning just now. So got Tom out front. David has him in the 2, Jason Davis in the 3.
Oh no. That's a bad one. I had a hell of a gap on you.
Yeah, you did.
330 down, 130 left to go. Tom out front with a 20-second lead on David Haslam. Jason Davis trying to catch David Haslam for that 2 spot. Right there, knocking on his bumper, not even a second behind him. Wally David in the 4, Machado in the 5, and Roy in the 6. Right now, your closest battles between the black and the blue truck and the red, white, and blue USA truck.
Let me volley for a minute. Sorry.
Couldn't wait because everybody else was going to
4 minutes, 5 seconds down, 55 seconds left to go. Tom Marlowe's gone on him.
Couldn't wait. Everybody else is going to pass his vote.
45 seconds
I
left.
just did. I ran you down.
Oh no, Tom's on the side.
He's like a lap ahead. He's good.
20-some second lead. All right, 30 seconds left. You still got Tom out front with an 18-second lead. David Haslam, Jason Davis still battling out for that 2 spot.
You got you, Chris, behind me now?
Wally David in the 4, Machado in the 5, Roy in the 6. 15 seconds left. Let's see if Jason can pass David for the 2. Oh no, a little bit of help from Wally David.
Thanks, Wally.
Gives David Haslam a little bit of breathing room. Oh, Wally lets him back around. Will it be enough? Last lap. Keep going.
I didn't want to hit you.
Tom, you're done.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh, he got him right there at the end. Everyone's done. Jason Davis gonna sneak by right at the end.
Yeah, it got loose just that little bit, dude.
Tom Marlowe's gonna take that on the 22 lap.
Hey, actually, that was the best race though. We were like neck and neck the whole time.
Yeah, that was fun.
14.